Okay, besties, welcome back to another video. I bring you another AI training platform that hires even Africans. All right. I talk about Africans a lot just because you guys have limited opportunities out there when it comes to AI training. But if you're in diaspora, if you're in the UK, Canada, US, then know that you can apply, you can work on these platforms. And for the sake of those of you asking if somebody has gotten a job, it's not up to me to give you a job or help you get in unless you want to join my agency. Apart from that, you have to keep applying. In fact, these platforms allows you to, once you complete your onboarding, there are several jobs out there. There are several projects you can, start working on. You can start working on different projects as you can see on my screen. All right. Look, AI evaluation specialist. Anyway, before I show you a full detail, please like this video, hype it, subscribe to the channel, subscribe for more videos like this, and stop sleeping on opportunities. Any opportunity you see, grab it. Stop sleeping on opportunities like this. Okay, so the platform is called HandshakeAI. A lot of you have been hearing about it. You hear about it on YouTube. Many creators have been talking about HandshakeAI, and we're also considering getting into it for our agency. But I still have to share it with you guys. I still have to share it with you so that you can also apply. The videos I bring here are videos that I've seen creators in Nigeria talk about. So I feel if they are using it, if they are earning from it, why not you earn from it? So it's not up to me to give you the job. It's not up to me to pay you unless you're working for my agency, right? So this is the platform here called HandshakeAI. Go to Google and search handshake.com or HandshakeAI. You see open projects to advance your AI skills. Then you see loads of amazing projects, even beginner friendly ones like AI evaluation specialist, AI trainer generalist. These ones, I always talk about these ones, this AI trainer generalist and AI evaluation specialist, because it is your gateway into AI training. Yeah, these are the ones that you can easily do, whether you have experience or not. For those of you are saying you don't have experience, you don't have the skill, these ones, you can do them. So for instance, let's look at this one. AI trainer generalists paying up to $30 an hour depending on the projects. They only need associate's or bachelor's degree. It is a remote position. You have flexible hours. Handshake is seeking motivated associate, bachelor's, and master's students and grads to work remotely to test large language models, LLMs, in collaboration with top AI labs. As part of this program, you will apply your overall skills and academic knowledge to help improve the performance of LLMs. All disciplines and majors are welcome to apply. You see, that's why I said this is your gateway into AI training, whether you have experience or not. And there's no particular discipline. No matter what you studied, you can apply. These projects are remote. Yeah, they are remote and part-time opportunities. You work remotely and independently on short-term AI training projects with minimum commitment to hours. No specific expertise required, just attention to detail. They'll provide a brief training and you'll take a single assessment before starting. You learn how frontier AI labs are training their models while getting paid. Successful experience leads to eligibility for more projects in the future. Shape the future of AI while building skills and confidence to navigate an AI-driven job market. Qualification: current students pursuing an associate's, bachelor's, or master's degree, or those already holding degrees, can apply. Individuals with exceptional attention to detail and the ability to follow detailed instructions accurately. Candidates comfortable working in a primarily asynchronous remote environment in collaboration with leading AI research labs. People who believe their knowledge and reasoning skills can challenge today's most advanced AI systems. For the application process, you sign up and create an account, verify your identity, join and onboard into relevant projects, start working and earning. Okay, I usually show applications page step by step, but I stopped doing so because each time I do that, my videos get deleted. So feel free to say no experience required. No experience required. The skills you would need, that's the skills you would normally need for this type of job, is AI model evaluation, analytical thinking, LLM experience, data annotation, presentation development, AI literacy. So if you use ChatGPT, you already know what I'm talking about. If you use ChatGPT, you can do this. So go ahead and sign up. But let me show you more jobs they have here in case you're into other fields, because I've seen amazing people who are prompt engineers and we are already working, planning to work together. Land administrator, Illustrator, Corporate Finance Analyst, Project Controls Engineer, Material Modeling Engineer, Energy Auditor, ESG Analyst, Process Engineer, Visual Design Professional, AI Trainer Generalist, Energy Project Estimator, Subsurface and Reservoir Engineer, Terminal Plant Performance and Emissions Analyst, Renewable Energy Analyst, Power Market Analyst, Revenue, Demand and Supply Planning Professional. This is about 12 pages, right? Demand Planner, Store Manager, Pricing Analyst, Inventory Control Manager, Retail Marketing Manager. Once you sign up here, look at this one, Spatial Data Analyst. Once you sign up here, job self will pursue you. You get what I mean? So let me share this one. Although this one we're planning to harvest this platform, but you guys still need to know it because not everybody that will be part of that our new team. Music Content Analyst, AI Trainer, Digital Illustrator, 3D Slicer Specialist, ParaView Specialist. You know, some of you have nice skills. You do editing, video editing. Like this one is video editors, up to $125 an hour. Bachelor's degree, masters, PhDs, postdocs. You see, you have video editing skill, but you don't want to utilize it. So let's see what this one says. They are recruiting professionals with experience in technical tools such as OpenShot, Shortcut, and more to contribute to an AI research project. In this project, you will apply your expertise to help improve how AI models real-world professional tasks within your domain. The HandshakeAI program runs year-round with project opportunities opening periodically across different areas of expertise. And this is $125 an hour depending on the project. Bachelor's, master's, PhD, postdocs, remote, flexible hours. So guys, work authorization F1 student. So you need to make sure that the job is hiring worldwide. Like the first one is hiring worldwide. Some of them might want you to be in a particular location like US, UK, Canada. So make sure that that one is available in your location before you apply. Yeah. So go and check them out now. Guys, go and check them out and stop asking in the comments who has earned. People have earned, but they don't like coming here to talk about it. I also commend those few people that have reached out to me saying they have earned, they have gotten jobs from these platforms. It's not up to me to give you a job, but until my agency is up and running. For now, all I can do is to share. So if you already know how to use ChatGPT, come and earn some money for yourself. If you already know how to use ChatGPT, come before this video gets deleted. Let's see overview. How it works: personalized job recs, get suggestions for jobs and opportunities based on your profile. Okay, real career advice, career shaping events, helpful networking. So just sign up here like this, app.joinhandshake.com, and then put your email address because you sign up with your CV and all. Then whenever there's a job that matches your profile, they will send you an email. That's how all these platforms do. Even OpenTrainAI, Make, all of them, any job that matches your profile, they will surely send it your way. If you like it, you go. If you don't, you leave it. So I can't say for sure because I take my time to find you content, find you AI training platforms that hire Africans, but the comments I see is not encouraging. And I've also seen that some of my subscribers from outside Africa are also complaining that I'm always talking about Africans. So now I don't know if I should say I'm not going to care more about you guys, you Africans, yeah, because una bad mouth too much. So I'll focus on jobs hiring worldwide. If you like, don't help yourself. So check other people, other videos. I see them on YouTube. People in Africa talking about AI training videos. You can ask them how they are able to navigate it. But we have our will. In this, our agency, you will understand what we're talking about. How you're going to be able to navigate this thing from the comfort of your home in Africa. You see all of that. So I just thought to share this one. People are using this HandshakeAI. I don't know. Go and check them out. It's your duty to do your own research before applying to any job. These ones were all uploaded yesterday. Thanks so much, everybody. Please like, comment, and share. Subscribe if you're new. Check out my remote job channel. Do you work from home? If you're looking for a remote job you can do from Africa. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.